What it do, guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video and all my videos, drop a comment down below, which is hashtag the grind is real. Share this video and all my videos on Instagram. Make sure you follow me at appgrind. And once I reach 4,000 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick somebody that follow these guidelines and they will get a chance to win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, subscribe now. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $100 in 3 minutes over and over again. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see, I make a lot of videos about making money online. So if you have not subscribed, it'll be beneficial for you to hit that subscribe button right now, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. And please hit the like button. It really is going to help out my channel, and it's going to help out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, or opinions on what I'm talking about today in this video. Now, also, please type hashtag the grind is real so you can get a chance to win this free money once I hit 4,000 subscribers. Now, I'm at 3,330 and I'm trying to make it by the end of this month, July the 31st. I'm trying to make it to 4,000, guys. Now, it seems like it's not going to be possible, but all you have to do is hit that like button and just share a screenshot of my video on all social media networks, especially on Instagram. Because if you share it on Instagram and you DM me, the grind is real, once I get to 4,000 subscribers, you could be the next winner of the free money that I'm giving away. So help me out, guys. Now, enough of me rambling on. Let me go ahead and get into this video and what we're going to talk about today. So please watch this video all the way to the very end. Let me go ahead and go to the first step to making $100 in 3 minutes over and over again. All right, I'm at this website, and the name of this website is Listverse. So you're going to get paid to write articles. And this type of website, they're looking for top 10 articles. So for example, top 10 musicians who were ahead of their time, or 10 tips for success in everything. So they're looking for those type of articles. So a list article, that's why it's called Listverse. Now, when you come here, you're going to click on this at the top. Let me raise this up. Where it says write for us, click that. It's going to take you to this site here, to this page here. All right, it says here get published for free. So you don't have to pay anything to publish your article. And let's just scroll down here. And right here where it said it works like this. You write your list, 10 items per list minimum. You send it in. We reply and say, great, we'll publish it. Or we reply and say, sorry, it isn't the sort of thing our readers will love. Give it another shot. So they can accept it or reject it. You know, it's their discretion to do what they want to do. This is how this works. So you got to make sure that you have a good article that's appealing with top lists of whatever you're talking about in that article. So it has to be something that's trending, something that catch people's eye. So now the payments right here says list payments. So some writers develop a huge following on the site that they become paid contributing members of staff. So I guess what they're saying is if people like your article, you become a paid staff member. So you kind of like on their payroll and you're getting paid every time you put an article out there. Now, you're probably wondering how much you get paid per article. So let me go ahead and go and show you how much you get paid per article. Okay, so it says right here, Listverse review. So I went to this site, it reviews different websites. So this site reviewed Listverse. So it says here, get paid $100 to write for Listverse. So they're going to pay you $100 for every article that they accept. And once you get paid that article, then you kind of like on the staff. So you're going to be getting paid every time you put an article, especially if they like it. You're going to get paid every time. Now, the thing is, you're probably asking me, I'm not a writer. I've never written an article before. Why would they accept my article if I'm not a writer? Well, let me show you a website you can go to where you can learn how to be a writer and you'll be able to get the steps on how to write this type of article. So let me go over there now. Okay, I'm at this website. It's called Article City. Now, what they do here, they give you all type of tips on how to write an article, and they give you different websites you can go to or different sources you can check out to be able to get like ghostwriters. So you don't even have to write an article. So like right here, it says 3 creative ways to get writing inspiration. So they'll help you get some inspiration on writing an article. And this one says 3 of the latest letterhead design tips. And this one right here, the top tips and tricks for book publishing. So they even let you know how to write a whole book. And let's scroll down here. Now this is the one very, very important. 5 key reasons why you should hire a ghostwriter. So they just tell you the reason why you should hire a ghostwriter. Now, where are you going to get this ghostwriter from? You can go to this website called Fiverr. It's very, very popular. So you can go to that website, pay $5, get a ghostwriter. Probably $5 or $10. Probably for $5 because you're just doing a top 10 list and you don't need that many words to do a top 10 list. So you can find a lot of ghostwriters that will do it for $5 to $10. So basically that's how this works. So you're going to first go to Listverse and sign up there. Write your article, go to Article City, read everything you need to read about writing an article, then go to Fiverr and get your article written and submit it here to Listverse. All right, guys, that's it. That's the steps. So if you want to go ahead and start making $100 in 3 minutes over and over again, go here to Listverse. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you go, please don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 50 likes. That's all I want, just 50 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I've talked about today. And don't forget to type hashtag the grind is real so you can get a chance to win this free money once I hit 4,000 subscribers. And make sure you go to Instagram and follow me at AppGrind. It's very, very important. If you want to get a chance to win this free money, you need to follow me on Instagram and type this in my DM. Hashtag the grind is real. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. One more thing, guys, subscribe to my other channel right here. It's called Random Reg TV. On that channel, I'm giving away free money too once I reach 2,000 subscribers. I'm over 1,000 subscribers on that channel, so that's one of my other channels, like a experiment, challenge type of channel, or life hacks, reaction videos. Very, very fun, entertaining channel. So check that out and subscribe to that channel for me, so you can get a chance to win that free money there also. All right, guys. Thanks again. Oh, one more thing. Leave a creative comment on this video, because I might shout you out in the next video. Matter of fact, I want to give a shout out to somebody right now. Because see, you never know when I want to do a shout out. I want to go ahead and do a shout out now. I like to do things at the spur of the moment. So the person I want to shout out is Make Money T. Thank you, guy, for checking out my channel, and thank you for the support. And I know you started your YouTube channel. Much success to you, guy. I know you're gonna blow up. Hey guys, go check out his channel, and that's Make Money T. Go check out his channel right now and subscribe. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you again. Appreciate your support. Road to 4,000. Let's get there, guys. Let's get there. Let's make it. All right, one more thing. I know I say one more thing, but it's the last thing, guys. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos that I have. Until my next one come out. Peace.
Get your grind